Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Leadership. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agriculture studies class for the students of class 8. Our today's topic is assignment 1. Dear learners, I request you to look at our book. So look here, here also it is written assignment 1. This is our 4th number lecture. Assignment 1 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students of class 8, many of you are writing me or have written me how we will do our assignment 1. So this class is very important for each and every students of class 8, those who have the subject agriculture studies. Dear learners, please keep your maximum attention to the whole class, and if you give your maximum attention to the class, inshallah this class, this assignment 1 will be clear crystal to you. At first we will look at the board. So look, here it is written assignment, assigned text, assessment criteria for class 8 on the basis of reclassified or the revision syllabus for the academic session of 2020. Class 8 subject agriculture studies, then assignment 1. This is your first assignment. Dear learners, look here. It is written unit and title of the lesson, chapter 1, page number 1 to 15. So if you open your agriculture studies book, you will get the chapter 1 and the so look here, the volume of chapter 1 is 1 to page number 15. The title is Agriculture of Bangladesh and International Perspectives. Then chapter 2, page number 16 to 18, it is Agricultural Technology. Lesson 1, the name of the title is Application of Urea Super Granules in Rice Cultivation. That means from these two chapters, we will do our assignment 1. Dear learners, look at the questions. So assignment 1 has been categorized in 2 parts. That means assignment 1 has 2 parts. One is, so look here, 1A and B, then 2A and B. Okay, 1A and B, then 2A and B. So look at the questions at first. It is what is GM crop? Then B, compare Bangladeshi agriculture with Vietnam's agriculture. Then in portion 2, write the conditions of implementing the techniques of greenhouse. Number B, it is using urea super granules by has more advantages than granular urea, explain. These are the 2 segments of assignment 1. Dear learners, another important thing, look at the date of your submission. It is submission is 20 to November 2022. This is your submission date of agriculture first assignment. So dear learners, we don't want to waste our time. So directly we will go to our first questions, then the answer. How will you write like this? What is GM crop? What is GM crop? So if you open your book, page number 13, you will get the title of the GM crop like this. Page number 12 and 13. So look at the questions at first. What is GM crop? If you go to your book, page number 12, so look at the page number 12 of your agriculture studies book. The title is Manipulating the Genetics of Crops. It is written, so look here, title is Manipulating the Genetics of Crops. The permanent and less expensive way to overcome seasonal dependency is manipulating the genetics of crops. In this case, genes sequence may be changed. The genes which are responsible for seasonal dependency may be deleted or changed that they remain inactive. Now come little bit later. Besides hybridizations and recurrent selections, this goal can be achieved by many other modern ways. These kinds of crops are called GM crops or genetically modified crops. Look at GM crops, the full form is genetically modified crop. That means, so look here, GM, G represents genetically and M represents modified. That means GM represents genetically modified crops, and these technologies are generally termed as genetically engineering or biotechnology. Look. That means go through the page number 12 and 13, you will get the question number 1. A. I am telling you again, if you go through the page number 12, ending of page number 12 and page number 13, you will get the answer number A, what is GM crop. Very easy. Now look at B number, it is compare Bangladesh's agriculture with Vietnam's agriculture. Okay, look here. Now I request all of my students of class 8 to open your agriculture studies book, page number 10. So look here, page number 10. So look here, the title is Bangladesh versus Vietnam. Bangladesh versus Vietnam. So look at the some similarities and some dissimilarities. It is written compare. Compare Bangladesh's agriculture with Vietnamese agriculture. So look at the topmost similarity between Bangladesh and Vietnam's agriculture is the production of rice. But the progress of Vietnam's farmer is more rapid than Bangladeshi farmer. So look at very much important compare and contrast. 25 years ago, the progress of agriculture was less advanced and even weaker. Now in every sector of agriculture, Vietnam has crossed Bangladesh. These are very common things, and at the end you will see that meanwhile, since it is seen from the passage that Vietnam has advanced much. So you will write like this, that now Vietnam has crossed each and every sectors regarding the farming cooperative things. Now at the end you will write like this. So meanwhile, Bangladesh has adapted some field technologies from Vietnam's. That means after you will go through the page number 10, ending of page number 10 and 12, you will get the answer number 2. That means I request you to go through the page number 10, ending of page number 10 and 11, you will get the answer B number. Compare Bangladesh's agriculture with Vietnam's agriculture. Okay. Now look, in segment 2, write the conditions of implementing the techniques of greenhouse. Write the conditions of implementing the techniques of greenhouse. So in these connections, I request you to open your book, page number 12 again. So look at the picture. The picture is about a greenhouse. So look, okay, it looks very beautiful. The picture is about greenhouse. Look at the title, different strategies to overcome the seasonal dependency of crops. So look here, it is written, come to the, what is written here, that conditions of, we need to find out the conditions of implementing the techniques of greenhouse effect. There are 3 techniques. So look here, the prerequisites of, if you open your book, page number 12, that means if you go to the middle of your book, that means you will get the answer. The prerequisites of implementing this technique is together details. So look here, I am underlining some important lines so that it helps you very much. So look, I am underlining the prerequisite or the preconditions of implementing this technique is together details information about the information and nutrients of crops. Dear learners, before going to writing this answer, you will write what is greenhouse. We all know that greenhouse is a house made of glass. I repeat, greenhouse is a house made of glass. That means after giving the descriptions or the definitions, you will write the following sentence as I am underlining. The prerequisites of implementing this technique is together details information about the environment and nutrients of the crop. Secondly, that means this is the first one. Secondly, the proper methods of creating suitable information and applying proper nutrients should be established and maintained. Thirdly, uninterrupted electricity supply should be ensured. These are the 3 points or the 3 techniques should be implemented in the greenhouse. Now dear learners, you have got the answer number 2A. Okay. Now we will go to our last segment. Last question is, using urea super granules has more advantages than granular urea. Look, using urea super granules has more advantages than granular. In these connections, I want to show you 2 pictures. One is super granules urea, another one is granular urea. Dear learners, give your maximum attention. So look, one important thing is urea super granules, one thing, another one is granular urea, another one thing. So look here, look at the picture. It is urea super granules, look at the first one, and it is granular urea. So look, urea super granules and granular urea. Okay, your book page number 17. So at page number 17 you will get the 2 pictures. One is urea super granules, another one is granular urea. Here it is asked us that using urea super granules has more advantages than granular urea. That means, so look here, using super granules has more advantages than using granular urea. Dear learners, in these connections you will get the definition. Okay, from here you will get the definition. Necessity of urea super granules. Necessity of using super granules arises from the limitation of using conventional granular urea fertilizer. Therefore, at the beginning of this lesson, the advantages and disadvantages of using conventional granular urea are discussed. So, look here, that means these are the beginning of the questions number. This is the beginning of the answer. Then you will give the advantages of using super granules. So, look here, now I request you to go to page number 18. So, look here, advantages of using super granules. That means four advantages you will write down. So, look at the title, advantages of using urea super granules. That means these fertilizers. This is called using or urea super granules. Okay, that means you will give the beginning, then the 4 advantages. Dear learners, so another picture also, application of urea super granules in rice field. So, look, application of urea super granules in rice field. In your book page number 16 you will get this picture. Okay, now come to the topic. Your topic will be like this: Agriculture of Bangladesh International Perspective, chapter 1. Agriculture of Bangladesh. And international perspectives. International perspectives. Another one is, it is agricultural technology. Agricultural technology. So, look, last one is your submission date. It is 22 November. Dear learners, so look at the board. Here I have given my phone number and my messenger ID to help you much. So, look here, my phone number and my messenger ID. And another important things, always after finishing our class, that means whenever the class will be uploaded in our YouTube or on YouTube, the comment box or inbox always will be open for you. Please write me if you have any questions regarding our assignment 1 on agriculture studies. Don't hesitate to write me. Inshallah, I will give the answer of your questions. Finally, see you again. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.